And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe.
What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. And what I will be trying right now is Jollibee's new chicken tenders, and I'll be ranking it and see just how it is sitting basically. But before we begin, look at the bag. This looks like a shopping bag. But don't get me wrong, the bag is awesome. Don't think I'm sort of talking down. I like it. So I will be trying their new chicken tenders and ranking it just to see how we are sitting. And it's actually brand new because Jollibee only serve like say chicken and sandwich and whatnot, but they don't really have chicken tenders all year. Man, is this big? They don't have chicken tenders all year round. So it's limited edition because it's a promotion. Why is this box so big? It's limited edition. I just want to make sure I get that out of the way. Sorry, before I begin. And they gave me 2 sauce. This should be interesting. This should be interesting. But Jollibee always have like say good chicken, but the spicy one, magnificent. So now time to open this and see just how it is sitting. And let me make sure I show you guys before I see it. Hey, bro, this is I just remember, and I had to wait 7 minutes because it was being freshly prepared. So let me show you guys a better preview. So this is how it is. Man, yo, this look like jumbo. Look at this, bro. This is one tenders. Look how big that is, man. Look at Look at this. And I only took 6 pieces. I was like, I'm trying this. I might as well take 6 pieces. Bro, I did not know this was so big. This looked like... Bro, they should have just called this jumbo tenders. Man, bro. Oh, my God. Look at that. Jollibee. I don't know what's going on here, but you guys literally... Y'all crazy. So here's the sauce. They had to give me 2 sauce the way how this is big. When I say 6 piece, I was like, yeah, you know, I'm trying it. I was like, I don't want 12, but I don't want 4. I want a decent amount. And then I was like, as soon as I got it and I looked at the box, I was like, no, when I got it, I was like, why is they give me a big bag like this? And then I feel the thing, and then I look at the box, and the box looks so big. I was like, why is it such a big box? Jollibee. So let's get going. This is the sauce. This is the tenders. Here we go. Not bad. Let me try it with the sauce. Mm-hmm. 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 Man, bro, due to the fact that I was trying it, I had no problem waiting for it. Because I know when I get it, it's going to be hot. And it's going to be nice to try on the video. You know, the sauce sort of look like Thousand Island, but it's not. Mm-hmm. But this almost look like a unicorn or something. You know, the sauce literally give it a different flavor, and it's not so spicy. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I like this sauce. Mm-hmm. There's not even no name for this. Maybe they get it in the thing and they just portion it into this. Mm-hmm. Because normally you see the name. I think it come in like a pouch or something. Or maybe they just put it in this. Like they're like, I don't want nobody to know the ingredients. Mm. But it is still hot. Like I can see the steam coming out of it. Mm. Bro, let me tell you something. When you go to go get your food and you have to wait, make sure you wait. Because if you have to wait, that means it's being freshly prepared. But knowing some people can't wait. Mm. Bro, I ate four already. Open this baby up. I ate bro. I ate four tenders already, bro. Only two more remaining. Bro, they should have named this Jumbo Tenders. I swear this can probably fill you up more than one of their chicken sandwiches. Bro, this is why I like to try stuff on camera, man. Cause like, oh, big, like this one is not so bad, but the other ones I've shown you, those ones were big. Mm. And crunchy. Mm-hmm. Only one more remaining. Let me try a piece of this without the sauce. Mm. Now with the sauce. Mm. Mm-hmm. Bro, only this remaining. Mm-hmm. Oh my god. Bro, on a scale of deliciousness, I give it 8 out of 10. Like, the sauce is like a complete perfection. The sauce flavor different. Like, the sauce is not so, sort of hard to describe. Like, it's not so sweet, it's not so sour, it's not spicy. It just give it a nice flavor. 8 out of 10. But without the sauce, I would say roughly 6.5. But with the sauce, bro, trust me, bro, look how big that was, man. Bro, bro, that they could have called that jumbo tenders. They could have called it jumbo tenders. I was like, I don't know if it's when they're if it's a flour they use that make it like look like that, but 8 out of 10 hands down. And it was definitely crunchy and hot, bro. Oh my god. I still can't believe it. Like, bro, 6 tenders in this box. Jollibee. And Jollibee is a place like, ooh, that just did. Jollibee is a place like, say, like, I don't know if you know, but I'm just saying this just so you know. But a lot of people should know. It's like similar to KFC and Popeyes. They sell like fried chicken, chicken sandwiches. I don't know. I'm not sure if they sell like fish sandwich, but they sell mostly like Filipino stuff like spaghetti, their mango peach pie. They have they know, like, they have their own style of cooking. But man, this 8 out of 10 hands down. No joke, no cap. Oh, remember, it's limited edition. So if you're a fan of Jollibee, I recommend you go try this and see how it is. Bro, if they could get this in spicy, like if I could get this in spicy, it would probably be 10 out of 10. Should have asked them for hot sauce. But man, this was bussin'. Still can't believe it. It's been a while. Last time I tried something from Jollibee, it was like their chicken sandwich, maybe over a year ago. Like, I think Jollibee never really come out with, like, say, promotion or new drinks or summer drinks or winter drinks. It's more like, say, they always have the same thing. When I look on Facebook, what was it? Facebook? I think I was scrolling through either Facebook or TikTok or YouTube or whatever the case may be, and I saw an ad, and it's like Jollibee new chicken tenders limited edition. Come and get it. I was like, Jollibee sell chicken tender? I was like, wait a second. I didn't remember Jollibee was here. Because normally, when I try stuff, is mostly Tim Hortons and McDonald's mostly. And then Wendy's. Mostly them. Because they're always coming out with, say, new sandwich, new blizzard. You know, like, they always have new stuff to drink, sorry. But this, definitely 8 out of 10. Crunchy and nice and everything. Make sure you try it before it's gone. So, I was about to burp, and I was like, you know, that was a small one. But I've already been digested. I think my body's enjoying it. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. I will be back trying to do more stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.